Welcome to The Source.
Are you struggling to figure out what to talk about in your next video? I've got a hack for you that will make sure that you never run out of ideas again. Let's be honest, most content that you're talking in is informative or answering a question. So here is my secret on how to find content ideas and strategize them. Let's start with AI. We're going to use this prompt. Now you could stop here and answer those questions, but a lot of agents probably already have. So let's take it one step further. So head over to YouTube and type in these questions one by one. Now watch the first two videos that come up for each question and think about what is missing. Ask yourself, what questions did they not cover that a prospective client might still have? And even scroll through the comments to see any questions down there. These are the questions that you really want to answer to make sure you stand out in your video content. So make sure you jot them down. Now that you have the ideas, let's talk strategy. Think of these questions in terms of a funnel. Questions at the top of the funnel typically have a high searchability, but a low client conversion rate. Questions at the bottom of the funnel are hyper-specific, so they might have a lower searchability, but a higher client conversion rate. Split your questions that you wrote down into top and bottom of the funnel categories. Now all you have to do is go back and forth answering each type of question in a video. And as always, make sure it's quick, straightforward, and uniquely informative.
And that's all for this month on The Source.